Our company has been operating in the energy-saving market for 30 years. We've been manufacturing heat meters, and according to independent estimates, today we take second place in the industry.
Though for us, the market and interaction models in this market are quite common for B2B production companies. We are constantly looking for new points, new technologies. A partnership with Varwin is an opportunity to interact with a high-tech company that brings breakthrough technologies. The use of virtual reality or VR technologies is an opportunity to interact with our partner or client quickly. It is an interesting innovation that involves the clients and our processes.
We set a goal to carry out two ideas at once. The first is to participate in exhibitions. To avoid the need to transport bulky equipment around the country, you only need to put on VR glasses, and you're in the basement, touching our device and considering the innovativeness of all the processes, and it was awesome. The second idea was to organize remote training for our partners' employees. We have over 180 of them.
We've not seen any issues for the VR project in terms of the products that we use. These will be complex technical products, mass-produced products that are installed at the remote locations, such as automated block-type control units. Maybe one day we will have every boiler unit and station performed in our VR environment, so our customers and clients will be able to learn by interacting with any of our products in virtual space. For the Children's EE Contest Teplocom, together with the Energy Center and Varwin Company, we could come up with the idea to create a training class where a student can get in touch with simplest aspects of energy conservation. Turn off the tap or do some kind of action which would help to feel and understand what energy efficiency in real life is. Choosing a partner, it was important for us to acquire a platform solution so that the product was not locked on itself where you cannot change anything. Working with Varwin, we got such a platform, such a partner where Teplocom specialists can create new products for the future use.
This is exactly the case when two professional teams are allowed to achieve the best results. We're very pleased with it.
Yes, we would recommend Varwin as a contractor. We like this team, and we are pleased with the results that we got within our cooperation.